Welcome to Scholarship Guidance Center. I am Adil Doshi sir, and today's topic is 5th Scholarship Intelligent Test Unit 10 Symbol for Letters. In a code, the letters are represented by symbols as shown below. Answer the questions on the basis of this. Now C D means this symbol, R means asterisk, Y means square, N means circle, K means square and one line, G means this symbol. See, like this all the symbols are there. And how will you write the word Kanyak Kumari, that means Kanyakumari, using the above symbols. Okay. Now see, K means here, K means this symbol. First write this symbol as it is. Okay. Then A means double line, parallel line. Okay. This is known as parallel line. Then N, see, N means 0. Y means square, or you can say it as rectangle. Then A, again A means what? Parallel line. Okay. Then K means this type of symbol. Okay. U means this one. U means this one. Then M means triangle and बीच में उसको vertical line. A means again parallel line. Okay. R means here, R means this type of star. Then I means here again this type of symbol. Now see this one here, parallel, circle, rectangle, parallel, then this one. Okay, that is option number 3 is your correct answer. Now see here, in explanation that is also given. Okay. From the group of symbols, these symbols are given. Which word is formed? Okay. Now see here again. This star means what? Which letter is there for star? R. Okay. Therefore I write here R. Parallel line means A. R A. This type of letter means symbol means here I. Okay. Then circle means N. Then asterisk, this type of asterisk means here this type of asterisk that is given. See, ऊपर ये given है, ये देखो. This type of asterisk means D. Okay. This means D. Then parallel line means A. Okay. And rectangle means Y. That is RAINDAY. Okay. Rain day. Your answer will be rain day. That is option number 4 is your correct answer. Then next question is, see next one. In a certain code language, rub is written as this type of symbol. Okay. I write here RUB is this type of symbol. Curve is written as this type of symbol. Here curve is like this. Okay. This is curve. OUR, see, OUR is like this type of symbol, that is given. Okay. This much is what? Given. Then which one of the following can be the code for word ROC? The sequence of letters and symbols may not be the same. Means sequence same नहीं है. ये आपको कभी पूछा था 2017. अभी देखो ये तीनों में कॉमन क्या दिख रहा है. देखो तीनों में कॉमन कुछ है, U है. देखो U एंड U. तो ये तीनों में कॉमन क्या दिख रहा है हमें. देखो ये देखो दिस वन दिख रहा है. तो इसका मतलब U का मतलब क्या होगा? this u is equals to this type of symbol. RUB means this type of symbol, CUB this type of symbol, OUR this type of symbol. First see common in 3, that is U, U and U. Here क्या कॉमन दिख रहा है तीनों में? देखो, this type of circle, this type of circle and this type of circle. That means U means this type of circle. Okay. अभी फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड में कॉमन क्या दिख रहा है? देखो इधर B एंड B. तो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड में और कॉमन क्या है? देखो सेकंड और फर्स्ट में देखो ये वाला रेक्टेंगल, ये रेक्टेंगल, इसका मतलब B, मतलब B का मतलब क्या होगा? रेक्टेंगल. ओके. अभी फर्स्ट पे क्या बचता है? देखो ये 2 चला गया, ये 2 चला गया, तो R बचता है. R मतलब क्या होगा? इसका ट्रायंगल. तो इसका मतलब ये R के बदले क्या आएगा? R के बदले क्या आएगा? ट्रायंगल आएगा ना. तो R मीन्स ट्रायंगल बचता है. ठीक है, R के बदले ये ट्रायंगल बचेगा. उसके बाद देखो और क्या है? R हो गया. O के बदले क्या है? देखो इधर O. ये देखो ट्रायंगल तो चला गया, अभी ये ट्रायंगल चला गया, तो O के बदले क्या बचता है? 0. तो O मीन्स क्या आएगा? 0. उसके बाद C चाहिए हमें. C का मतलब क्या बचता है? देखो ये वाला, तो C मीन्स ये वाला ऐसा है, बराबर. तो ऐसा ऑप्शन किधर है? देखो ऑप्शन नंबर ट्रायंगल, सर्कल एंड दिस वन, ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज योर करेक्ट आंसर. ओके. इन अ कोड लैंग्वेज SON is this sign, plus minus divide. SUN is equals to minus plus multiply, and FUN is equals to minus multiply minus this rectangle. In the same code language, how will you write the word UFO? This is asked in 2017, and the sequence of letters and signs may not be the same. First, here SON means this symbol, SUN means this symbol, and FUN means this symbol. Now see common in 3. तीनों में common क्या है? N, N, N. Here which is common? See here common is minus, see minus, minus and minus. That means N means minus. Okay. N is equals to minus sign. Then common in first and second, see here plus and plus. Therefore here common is S and S. That means S is equals to plus. S is equals to plus. Then see remaining is O. O means divide. Okay. I write here O is equals to divide. Now second and third common is U and U. Here second and third common is multiply, multiply. That means U means multiply. Okay. Then remaining is F means rectangle. Okay. And we have to find out UFO. Now see U means multiply, F means rectangle, and O means this divide. Multiply, rectangle, divide. Multiply, rectangle, divide, or square. You can say it as a square. That is option number 2 in your answer. In the following table, letters are replaced by symbols. A means this, B means this symbol. All the symbols are given. Using above symbols, how will you opposite of poor be written? Poor का opposite क्या आता है? Rich. Okay. RICH. Now see R means minus, I means multiply, C means circle full, and H means plus. That means this type, minus, multiply, circle, plus. That is option number 2 is your correct answer. R means is equals to, not minus, that is equals to sign, and here it is, this is equals to. Okay. Is equals to multiply, circle and plus, not minus. Okay. In a code, symbols are written for the letters. Observe them and answer the questions. Very easy. How will you write antonyms of the word hard using the above symbol? Now see, hard means opposite of hard is easy. EASY, easy. Now see, E, for E letter is E means shear, vertical parallel line, that is E. A means this symbol. S means this symbol, उल्टा करना है उसको. And Y means shear, Y is plus. Now see, this type of symbol is parallel, this one, this one, this one, that is option number 4. Then Sunday, S means, see this type of symbol means S. S means, first I write this way, in this way, S. Then U means shear, U means rectangle. N means multiply. D means D, shear. D means triangle. A means shear, this type of symbol, A. And Y means shear plus. And this type of option is shear, this one, okay. That is option number 2. Opposite of easy is soft is also, but F साठी सिम्बॉल इथे दिलेला नाही, त्यामुळे सॉफ्ट येणार नाही, बरोबर, म्हणून इझी येणार आहे. And Y means plus sign. Study the code given below and answer the question. These are the codes, okay. These are letters and these are symbol for that given letters. How will you write the word homesick by using symbols? Now see, H. H means circle, okay. This circle means H. O means this type of symbol, darken, okay. Shankarpai, dark, थोडक्यात. Then M. M means this type of symbol, that is N, okay. E. E means dark circle, that is E. S. S means this type of symbol, bowl. Then I. I means darken rectangle, that is I, okay. C. C means asterisk, but this type of asterisk, okay, that is C. And K means again rectangle. Now see, this type of symbol is occur in circle, this type, then this one circle, okay. Answer option number 3. Then which word is formed from the symbol? This symbol is given. Now see here, this type of symbol. This type of symbol is D. Then dark circle means E. Normal circle means, see, normal circle means H. Okay. Then triangle means R. Then darkened triangle means A. Then this type of symbol means, see again, this type of D. Okay. Dark, that is U. And this star means N. That is Dehradun. Now Dehradun, that is option number DEHRADUN. That is option number 4 is your correct answer. In a code, the word fun is written as, see, I write first fun, FUN is equals to, that is given is triangle, circle and rectangle. Then WAN, van, WAN, van is written as, सर्कल के नीचे सर्कल लिखता हूं मैं, प्लस एंड माइनस. देन FEW, cube is written as plus, then triangle and multiply. First we have to see कॉमन इन थ्री, तीनों में कॉमन क्या दिख रहा है वो हमें देखना है। तीनों में कॉमन क्या है? एन एन नो, एफ नो, तीनों में कॉमन कुछ भी नहीं है। तो दो में कॉमन क्या है? देखो डब्ल्यू एंड डब्ल्यू, तो ये दोनों में कॉमन राइट साइड में क्या है? देखो प्लस एंड प्लस, दैट मीन्स डब्ल्यू मीन्स प्लस। आई राइट हियर डब्ल्यू इज इक्वल टू प्लस। फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड में देखो एन कॉमन दिख रहा है इधर, वेरी इजी। तो फर्स्ट सेकंड में इधर क्या है? ओ कॉमन है, इसका मतलब n इज इक्वल टू ओ मीन्स जीरो, ओके जीरो। देन फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड में कॉमन क्या है? देखो f एंड f, तो इधर कॉमन दिख रहा है ट्रायंगल एंड ट्रायंगल, दैट मीन्स f इज इक्वल टू ट्रायंगल एंड वी हैव टू राइट फैन, f a n, here f मीन्स ट्रायंगल, देन a मीन्स क्या बचा है? a के लिए खाली माइनस नो, तो माइनस, a मीन्स माइनस एंड n मीन्स अभी हमने निकाला जीरो, ट्रायंगल माइनस जीरो, ट्रायंगल माइनस जीरो, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज योर करेक्ट आंसर। In a code, the word FROM as this one. Here I write first FROM, from is written as this square and triangle only, okay. ROAD, 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 road is written as circle and this type of symbol. And classmate, CLASSMATE, classmate is written as plus and minus. Then how will you write word roommate? Okay, now see here, if you observe first and second, then which is common here? RO and RO, that is common. Now see here, first is FR. FR means no common is there in first and second. Then we proceed in this way. FR, see here, I write here FR is equals to square or rectangle, and OM is equals to, here I write here OM is equals to triangle. Then RO is equals to circle, RO is equals to circle, and AD is equals to, here AD is equals to this type of symbol. Now classmate, now see class means plus, remember क्लास का मतलब क्या है? प्लस साइन, एंड मेट का मतलब है माइनस साइन, ओके। माइनस साइन का मतलब आता है MATE, मेट। नाउ सी रूम, नाउ सी RO का साइन है जीरो, ओके। OM का साइन है ट्रायंगल, ओके। एंड मेट का साइन देखो, मेट का साइन है माइनस, मीन्स जीरो ट्रायंगल माइनस, zero triangle minus, that is option number 2 is your correct answer. This ends your unit 10 symbol for letters part 1.